Hello everyone. My name is Kingsley Oluwatosin. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, and this is Bakari Oluwato Kingsley. And this channel, please, this is a new channel. I just wish you to subscribe. So in this video, we're gonna be talking about one of the best app that really pays. I know a lot of you have been checking on YouTube, and then you've not seen some app really paying. But today, I'm gonna talk about the best app that is really paying. You don't have to stress yourself. You just have to follow the few steps I'm going to show you. So first of all, let's check the reviews on Play Store. So firstly, it's just an app and it is called PiggyVest Save Investment Today. I know that for you just seeing the name, especially, you're going to think that, oh no, it's for investing, and although you don't have anything, you don't have to do with anything with this investing and save interest today. What you just have to do is you are here to make money. You have to start from zero. I mean, starting from zero is that you don't have to pay any money for you to earn money from this app. It's quite simple and easy for you to do. As you can see, before starting it, we have 4.6 out of 5.0. That's to show that this is a real good app. And you can see people have been dropping a good review about this app. That's to show you that this app is a good app. This is November 5, November 2, November 17. And as you can see, this is a real star. And this is real active. People are giving it like. So now, for you to run in this website, just check. For you to check, you can't just go to the App Store and download it. I'll give you a link in the description below. So when you go to the link, you are going to be given 1,000 naira for you signing up with my link. But firstly, we have to come here in the meantime. So this is it. If you should use my link, this is the place it's going to take you to direct. If you are using my link, as you can see, this is a real website. This is how it looks like in the new website. This is everything in the website. This is how it looks if you are to log in for the first time. And at the main time, you have to come here for you to sign up, which is to create new accounts if you're a new user. So check. So for you to start your own, you have to wait. I'm sure the network. So it's still loading. So I'm going to walk you through how you can create your own free account here. So firstly, you just have to put your name. I have my account before, but just to walk you through how you can make your own first account. So this is it. And password, I'm just going to use anyone because I don't have any referral code, so I'm going to choose. So okay, others, and then create a new account. And as you can see, please, if you are using my link, in order for you to claim, what did they say? Okay, an error occurred using the phone number. Okay, I think this is the first. This was the first phone number I used for my own account. So let me just think of I think I have one account just like that. Okay, let me use this one. So create new account. Okay, so when you create new account with my link, this is going to give you. This is a new account. Kingsley, good evening, wish you good luck. So something like that. This is how your account is going to open the first time. So for the first time, if you are using my link, because if you are using my link for the first time and you're a user, it's going to ask you to refer a friend and earn 1,000 naira. But yeah, just because I'm not using my link, I won't be able to get the 1,000 naira bonus. But if you are using my link, you're going to get the 1,000 naira free bonus. So for you to start hearing from this site, it's quite simple. As you can see, if you are here to save, maybe you want to save your money, but you are not here for all this, you can just come. There are a lot of places where you can save from this app. And what you just have to do if you want to start hearing from this website is refer a friend. Well, I just know that some people, they don't like referring friends. Like, no, a lot of people doesn't like referring people into something because it takes time. But one thing about PiggyVest is that it's quite simple for you to just refer people into this community. Reason why I'm saying this is that you can refer your family, friends, because you can refer your friend from school, friends on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and any other thing. And the funniest thing is that it is the both of you sharing the same profit, 1,000 naira for you and 1,000 naira for the other person. So it is quite simple as that. If you should refer someone, you are taking 1,000 and the other person too is taking 1,000. So just calculate it. For you referring up to 3 or 4 people in a day, that's almost 4,000 naira in a day. But for you to cash your money out, immediately the person use your link to register, you're going to get your money. But for you to cash them out, the person has to link his BVN. BVN. I know you may be thinking like, why am I adding my BVN to this? Why am I doing all this? Because it's somehow risky for you to add your BVN into something like this. You have to add your BVN. Sorry. Reason why is that a lot of people, in order to stop people from creating multiple websites, multiple accounts. That's what I mean. In order to stop people from creating multiple accounts, so you just have to attach your BVN into it. And once you attach your BVN into one of these, then you are free to go. Then you can cash out your money, and your other friend also can cash out your money. So in all general, what you just have to do in order to have your 1,000 naira is for your friend attaching his own 1,000 naira, and the other guy also attach his own BVN to it. So that will be 50-50 between the both of you. And after attaching your own BVN into it, your friend has to send just, I think, 100 naira, 100 naira to it for the both of you to claim. It's not quite hard as you guys think of other app whereby you have to work for some minutes for you to make some decent amount of money. So Piggyverse is the best. I can say it's the best. It's one of the best. I can say the best. So it's one of the best. So for you to just join on this platform, I've followed all the simple steps. As you can see on Google Play Store right now, it's still having 4.6. That's to show a good example for you. 4.6 on Play Store, and that's really good. This is really good, and I know a lot of people out there is really thinking this is really, as you can see, save towards multiple goals. So you can save, and you can even refer someone like your family members into this. I mean, your dad, your mom, your brothers. It doesn't have to take much time. You can start investing something like 100 naira per day. That's really crazy. But in order for you to add your BVN, you just have to add your BVN into this, and after adding your BVN, you start earning. So whenever you add a referral to your site, they are going to pay 1,000 naira, and whenever your referral also add his own BVN into his own account, you are going to earn. So it's just both of you sharing the same amount of 1,000 naira. So it's quite simple for this app, and we show you some other features with this app. What you can do with this app, simple as ABC. This is total savings, where you can save your funds at least in a day. You can just calculate it by removing 100 naira from your account. I think it's not bad when they are removing 100 naira from your account every day. And total investment, this rate is going to be after investing maybe some little amount in some investing plan here, because as you can see, for now there's no any investing plan, no investing, no any other thing. Okay, as you can see, sold out. They are all sold out. Okay, they are all sold out. Apart from agriculture, you have real estate, you have transport. So there are a lot of things you can invest, but basically what we are here for is you making money from this app. So that's why I'm going to tell you that referring from this app is one of the best way for you to refer. So please, if you are just watching the YouTube video for the first time on this channel, please endeavor to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and give the video a like. And please drop a comment in the comment below. Let me know anything about this app, any problem you'll be facing about this app. But as you can see, no one is having problem with this app. Everybody has such things like, no, the app is like this, the app is like this. With my view and the days I've been using it, the app is good. So there's no any other thing. But let me know in the comment below anything wrong with it, or you have any of your opinion or anything I can make video on. So let me know in the comment below. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next video.